Today, we'll be making pork chive dumplings. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a big bowl, add in your ground pork, rice wine, chicken powder, oyster sauce, pepper, and salt. Then we'll start to stir it all to combine. Once mixed, add in an egg. Continue to stir until it's all mixed together. In a separate bowl, we'll soak ginger and green onion with hot water. We'll use this water and combine it with our ground pork. We'll pour the water bit by bit and continue to stir our filling. Continue until all the water has been used, and don't worry if it feels too wet. Once our meat has been seasoned, we'll now cut our garlic chives. To the bowl of chopped chives, add in sesame oil. Mix and make sure that your chives have been fully coated. Now we'll add in our meat and mix thoroughly. This recipe will make a lot of dumplings. You'll need 2 packs of wrappers or at least 900 grams. Add your filling to the middle of your wrapper, and using water, you'll close the seams. You can add some flour to your plate if you're worried that the dumplings will stick to the plate. Wrap all the dumplings, and if you won't be eating them all, then you can put them in the freezer and cook them at another time. You can see here we've already wrapped quite a few dumplings and we still have a lot of filling left. To a boiled pot of water, we'll add in our dumplings. Once it's returned to a boil, we'll add in a cup of cold water and wait for it to boil again. Now that it's boiled again, it's all done and we're ready to serve. Enjoy your dumplings with some soy sauce or any dipping sauce you like. And there you have it, your homemade pork chive dumplings.